Hi, it's Eric Osnes with Homebridge Financial Home Mortgage. For over 30 years, I've been helping people in the Northwest buy, refinance, build, and renovate their homes, and would love to help you. So right now, I'm just about ready to go hunting for some fish, but you might be ready to start hunting for your home. And let's talk a little bit about some tips and some ideas to help you craft the winning offer. In our market right now, it's pretty crazy. There's about 4 buyers for every home that comes on the market. So the competition is pretty tough. So how do you stand out, amongst the others? Probably the first thing is that you won't get very far these days making an offer that's less than the listed price. It's just sort of the reality. In fact, most homes right now are selling above their listed price just due to our shortage of inventory. It's okay to try to negotiate, but remember that the seller probably has other offers on the table which will be compared to yours. So you've got to come in, pretty strong. Secondly, you're going to need a strong letter of approval. We recommend that you have your loan fully underwritten, not just rely on an automated approval letter. Being fully underwritten means that we've processed your loan as far as we can before you found the property. That includes running credit, looking at your income and asset documents. We verify employment, basically get a full underwriting loan commitment approval letter. That makes your offer the strongest it can possibly be. And that alone can really make a difference when you're competing against other buyers that haven't, gone to that extent. Third, you may want to look at the contingencies in your offer. Probably the 2 biggest ones are financing and inspection. An inspection contingency you can waive if you pre-inspect the home. That gives you some protection. You've already looked everything over, and the fewer contingencies you have in the offer, the stronger that offer will look. The other one, financing, is a little bit more risky. If you eliminate your financing contingency, that means that your earnest money could be at risk if something happens, lose a job or an accident, or appraisal comes in, lower than you can handle. That could cause you some risk. So be sure to talk with me or your realtor, before you take that jump, just to make sure that you've considered all the risks, and everything that go along with that. Finally, maybe think about writing a love letter. Something about why you like the seller's home so much. You can see your family growing up there, or you growing old there. Whatever it is about that home or the neighborhood and everything that makes you so attracted to it. It doesn't always work, but I know a lot of sellers that really will read those letters and take them into consideration when they're looking at offers. So I hope this is helpful information. You can always reach out to me if you've got questions, eric@ericismybanker.com. And be sure to check out my other videos and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Also, we're talking about lots of topics like this as well on our weekly radio show, Open House with Team Reba. You can hear it every Saturday at 2 o'clock and Sunday at 3 o'clock on AM 1590 radio, and also on podcasts with all the ones, Stitcher, Spotify, YouTube, you name it, it should be on there. Hope this information is helpful for you. Have a great day.